Hi, I'm here with this Wilson Perforated grip tape. Pro Perforated feel, it says. It's an overgrip. And it really does have a lot of perforations, as you can see. I hope that shows a little bit on the screen, yeah. So it's a lot of perforations in there all the way around. And this helps with sweat pass-through and grip as well. It's quite tacky, not the tackiest, but the grip comes from those perforations as well. So I really think this is a very good option if you don't like that tackiness, that sticking feel to your racket handle, but you do want a lot of grip because you have some problems with sweat maybe during longer matches, or just really want to hold your racket very firmly. Then I think a grip tape like this one is a very good choice. I lean more towards the tacky side, I think, but I do understand that if you don't like that and you want more grip, then something like this is really, really great. You can also put this over like your normal grip tape and then have this perforated feel just on top, so as an overgrip, making your handle just a little bit thicker if you have like bigger hands. So that's very nice as well. Just remember to remove the the foil when you put it on, of course, because otherwise you won't get any of the grippy benefits of it. So that's just my 2 cents on this one, and I hope this video has helped you make your choice.